Hi there and welcome to another screencast. This one is going to illustrate the use of in and out points within Premiere Pro. So we're inside Premiere Pro. I'm just going to double click on a clip to select it in the source monitor, and then we can then move our playhead through. As I'm moving through, I can find a place where I want the video to start. I can then press this button here, Mark In. And that's designating this section of the video to arrive on the timeline. If I then move my playhead on and choose Mark Out, I can then drag that down onto the timeline. Now this is just a small section of the clip. If I double click in here, we can see that it's got some of the clip outside of those in and out points. And as I drag that out, we can move that around on the timeline. Just go back to the start with a different clip. I can also use the I and O keys to specify my endpoint. So as the file is playing, I can hold down the I key and the endpoint is updating there. I can let go of the I key, the endpoint stays. I can then use the O key to update the out point. If I want to get the clip onto the timeline, I can either drag it down using the command there, or I can use the insert or overwrite edit. If I was to insert, the clip inserts where the playhead is, and then if I can insert another instance, so that's going where the playhead is. Notice the playhead leaps the end of the file so that you're not going to leave any nasty little gaps. If I want to insert a clip in between two clips, I choose the insert command. If I want to overwrite, so let's just choose a different clip, double click that, get that up, and I put my playhead in the middle. I choose the overwrite, and that stamps itself across all the other clips in the timeline. You can alter the in and out points by adjusting the region's length on the timeline, and we'll take you through a few different tools in a second in some other screencasts. But for now, adding in points, you can use the buttons in the source monitor, or you can use the I and the O keys respectively on the keyboard to get it onto the timeline. Click and drag, or use the insert or overwrite tools to get it onto the timeline. Hope that helps. Until next time.